Hello, my most amazing artists. Today we're going to revisit the idea of value. Value is the lightness or darkness of a color. In box 6, you can see that the value is the darkest, and box 1, the value is the lightest. We're going to use charcoal pencils to shade these boxes. Remember, when you're shading with a charcoal pencil, you don't want to hold the pencil near the tip. You want to hold as close to the end as possible. Holding at the end of the pencil makes it easier for us to adjust the pressure. The greater the pressure, the darker the value will be. Shade box 6 first and make it your darkest value. Then when you move to the 5th box, press a little lighter so that the color is not quite as dark. Continue doing this all the way down until you reach box 1, which will be your lightest value. Use a Q-tip to smudge the charcoal. Begin in box 6 and make sure you smudge the whole box before moving on to the 5th, the 4th, the 3rd. Feel free to go back in with a pencil or an eraser if you need to lighten or darken an area. Practice this as many times as you need before you move on to the next step. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes and it's okay to start over. Now we will use what we just learned to shade a ball. When shading the ball, it is important to notice the direction that the light is coming from. The side closest to the light will have the lightest value, and the darkest will be on the other side of the ball. Notice that the shadow is not as dark as the dark side of the ball. Remember to hold the pencil as far away from the tip as possible so you can adjust the pressure easily. Begin by shading the darkest values first, and then work your way towards the lightest values. Take your time to make it look good. When you have finished shading, with a Q-tip, begin to shade starting from the darkest values, working your way towards the lighter values. Make sure that you don't over-smudge, making it all the same value. If you need to, you can come in with an eraser and lighten up some of the areas. And there you have it. Once you've completed this, you may move on to the next lesson. Bye!